So I'm doing an oil and filter change today on the Mercedes. Basically, you want to get it jacked up first, obviously. There's two rubbers either side for your axle stands to go, and the actual jacking point is underneath here in the middle. Once you got that, there's 6 8mm bolts holding this front half of the under tray on. I'm just going to take that off now. So you do actually have to take off the rear half as well. There's another 7 8mm bolts holding it in there. And then to drain it, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either suck out through the dipstick tube, which is there, or you can undo the 13mm drain bung underneath, which I'll be doing. The engine's been running, so it's warm and it will flow out better. I'm going to remove the cap so that it flows a bit freer. And then I'll turn the camera back on after. So what I'm going to do now is remove the oil filter whilst that's draining. You need a 14 flue oil filter tool. Just goes on there like that, anti-clockwise. Turn the camera when I get out. So once your oil filter's out, you're going to want to just pull this off. And there's 3 O-rings to replace. Big one here, and one at the end there. Give the housing cap a clean with some brake cleaner. New filter on, and I'll put the camera back on. So it's all been cleaned with brake cleaner. The new filter elements in. The new 3 O-rings are on. It's just got to go back in there. But it's a good idea to put a bit of oil on each of these O-rings before you go screwing it down. And when you get it down, it's 25 Newton meters. So now once you've done that, replace your copper washer. Screw it back in. 30 Newton meters. Clean it with brake cleaner. Okay, so once you've done it the way that I'm doing it, drain it out the old-fashioned way, torque up to 30 Newton meters. Leave the under trays off. This car takes 6.5 litres. Put 6 in there to begin with, or about 5.8. Run it for about 10 seconds so it fills up the oil filter. Once you've done that, check for leaks underneath. Once you're happy there's no leaks around the oil filter or the sump bung, put your under trays back on. And then to check the actual level, you put your key into position 1. And then you press this 3 times quickly. You hear it beep. Then you go down to there, and then position 2, and it will read your oil level. Mine says 6.4. I can't get it to read over 6.4, but it takes 6.5. I've already topped it up the amount that it needs. So all it's left to do now is reset the service light. So to reset the service light, position 1 on the key, 3 times quickly. Position 2, and you're going to go down to this message. You're then going to press that once. Press it once. There we go. And you're going to use the plus and minus buttons to go down to what grade you used. I used grade 229.5. And you're going to press either the up or down arrow to select it. And you want to hold this in for 3 seconds and it should beep. So it's confirmed. See if the message comes up again. And there you go. That's it.